Today I'm gonna teach you how to unlock the pattern if you have forgotten your pattern in your Samsung J2. So here you follow my steps to unlock the pattern. So I will teach you how to reboot the cell. Here we go. First of all, see my steps carefully. Then only you can do it. So you have to click the power key, volume key, and home key, three at a time. Watch it carefully, three at a time. Then only you can reboot yourself. You click at a time and wait for 12 to 13 seconds. Then your phone will vibrate. When your phone will vibrate, it will go through a process installing system update. So it will take 15 to 20 minutes to install it. So after you install it, your display screen will not work. You should click on your volume key to take it down and up volume key to take it up. And to give a command, you have to click the power key. You have to click to go through the steps. You go in a restart rebooted button. Then it will come in normal mode. You go to the reboot system now. Check there, reboot system now. Click there. In your power key. Click and wait a bit. It takes a time. Then your cell will be rebooted. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. It will take bit time. After when the system has been updated, it will be on. Welcome. Here's your new cell. Your everything, whatever was there in cell, all will go, and you'll get a brand new cell, brand new functions. Everything will go. So if your email was connected with your phone, then it will be easy to recruit your phone. You have to agree all the terms and conditions, and your pattern will go away after you go through this process. So it's easy, you can go through this process.